kinky Yaki straight. Y'all, I've been wearing a lot of Yaki lately and I just really love it. I'm going for more natural looks these days, not something so silky and just done. The Yaki texture just gives you more of a natural hair in the 90s when it wasn't so crisp. Like my natural hair, if I were to get a blowout, it looks more realistic. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liz. Today's video is going to be a wig install and hair review. This hair is by KissLove Hair. As you can see, so beautiful. I'm gonna get into this hair in this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this if you're interested in wigs, hair reviews, or just beauty and lifestyle. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, follow me on my socials at Lizz Glams. This video, we're gonna be getting into this hair, this style that you see here. This hair is by KissLove. This is their 6x4 Yaki straight bob style unit. Unlike a lot of hair that I have tried, me getting into the drawstring is like a new thing for me, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. Like, it's very convenient, it's easy to put on, and I feel like it cuts down on the application time a lot. Now this unit came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut lace, and it's pretty much, it came already styled too. I didn't really have to do anything with it as far as styling it. It really was already silky straight and everything, so it made it super easy for me to just take it out of the box. I put a little bit of makeup on the lace there so that it would blend a little bit more seamlessly into my skin. I did cut off a little bit of lace, and then I just went ahead and installed it and bumped the ends, and that's really it. So if you're somebody who maybe you are looking for a easygoing unit, something that's fairly easy for you to just put on and go, style it really quickly and go, or maybe even you are a beginner to wearing wigs, wig styling, and you want to, have something fairly easy, this is the perfect unit. Very beginner friendly. The length is everything. They do also offer this in other lengths, so if you're trying to go for maybe like a shorter length, more natural, then maybe check out this style. This will be linked down in the description of this video. When I received the hair, it came with a middle part. This is how the hair looks straight out of the box. I love this kind of wig cap. It is a dome cap, has a comb, and of course this is the drawstring lace wig. Combs are all in the inside of this wig, and I like how secure it fits in the back. Now the lace came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the lace was already pre-cut. I did add a little bit of cream makeup so that it would blend a little bit more naturally and more seamlessly around the hairline. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm using the No Makeup foundation. I love this foundation. It's so creamy. If you have a concealer or a foundation like this is probably the best because it just melts into the lace so seamlessly. This particular wig came as a 6x4. They also have 13x4 as well for the same style. You can see there's combs on the inside, and I'm just fascinated by how these wigs are just looking so much more natural these days. Silky, bust down, and I like that they send you the strap so that you can insert the strap if you want to. It's optional. The combs are also removable, and then the drawstring straight in the back just makes it really easy to install it and make it so that the wig cap fits nice and snug. Now it's a dome cap, so the dome caps are my favorite because they fit nice and snug, and then it also has the adjustable wig band in there as well, so when you put it on, it should fit most head sizes. So if that's a problem for you, then definitely try out this unit, because it doesn't hurt to try it. But I like the cap. I like the way that it fits. It feels so comfortable, and I can wear it all day, and it even has the C-shaped ear tab. So with the 6x4, you can do an off-center part or a middle part. It came with a middle part. And I'm just showing y'all here how the wig looked straight out of the box. I just put it on, and I'm just combing it to show you like the luster, the smoothness. This is before I even started styling it or doing anything. So I was impressed because a lot of these wigs, sometimes they look crazy when you get them. It's glueless. I didn't add any glue, so that's a plus as well. This is what it looked like after I went in and straightened the hair. Now because it's Yaki, I do usually go for a higher heat setting, so I did the 410. So just keep that in mind. If you want the hair nice and silky, it does get nice and silky, and it also curls. I usually do like the higher 400s, 350s temperature so that it can stay as smooth as I needed to. I couldn't decide here if I wanted to do the bumped ends or the blunt cut. I do love the blunt cut look, but I feel like the bumped ends just give it more of a finished, crisp look. So I was like, okay, we're gonna go with the bumped ends. You know, when you feel in your hair, you start dancing. Yeah, that's what I was given. So like I mentioned, you can absolutely curl this hair. For my bob styles, I usually like to do more straighter looks with the bumped ends. I may do like a half up, half down. Actually, you know what? I am going to try a half up, half down. I'm going to do a little bit of baby hair just to, it can look a little bit natural. Just a little bit, okay? I know y'all are not fans of the baby hair. So I'm going to just do something real simple, natural around the eyebrow area. I tried to do this cute little half up, half down look. In my mind, it looked better. But maybe, I think I was having problems with getting it to be completely flat. So I was trying to decide whether I should use bobby pins or not. But either way, it was kind of cute once I pulled it all together. I like the flipped under look, like the bumped under look. But I also was like, okay, let me try and see how it may look if I flip it up, because I like to do it that way too. With shorter hair, I do like that you're able to play around with more styles. I feel like longer hair is kind of boring. It's either curls or straight, or, you know. But I feel like shorter hair, you can have a little bit more fun. It looks more edgier. It's simple. It's very classy looking, clean, and it's not going to take you super long to do your hair. So the bumped under look was cute, but the flipped up was like, ooh, yes, girl. So this is what it ended up looking like. I kind of wore it like this for a couple days, and once the baby hairs dried, I did fluff them out a little bit and they looked a lot more natural. But baby, this hair is super cute. I love Yaki straight. Like, Yaki is just that texture that every girl needs to experience once in their life, especially if you have highly textured hair like myself. So gives more like a blowout kind of look. It's so pretty, it's so classic. Something like this you really can't go wrong with. Like, when you're in doubt, you really don't know like what you want to do with your hair. Just the middle part, very clean, classic bump under, and I just call it a day, you know? It comes as a middle part. You can also do a side part or do a free part, however you want to switch it up. You have that parting space. 100% glueless style, y'all. Like, literally, I didn't have to go through any trouble with glue, tape, or anything like that. And I didn't even use I didn't use my spray either. But all in all, perfect, seamless, easy, quick install for the girls. So don't sleep on this one, y'all. And I love the drawstring. Like, that drawstring just makes it so seamless and easy to install the wig. I like that my wig feels nice and secure in the back. I just tucked the string. If you're wondering like where the string is, I tucked it under. I took and put the comb underneath as well. So everything is pretty much secure. There's no lifting. It's not an awkward bulge back there. Everything is nice and flat. Feels good, looks good, shiny, and she's easy to install. So don't sleep on this unit, okay? If you're looking for something real quick, easy, simple, definitely check out this style, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you do hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and also follow me on my socials at Lizz Glams. I want to hear your thoughts down below in the comments. Feel free to comment. Let me know what you're thinking. If you have questions, let me know as well. But that is all for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.